How to record a slow-mo video on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the camera application on your device, and now you will see various options there. So scroll through and you will see the option for slow-mo at the very end. So tap on the slow-mo option you see there and now select the adjustments and your camera lenses. So choose if you want to take the slow-mo video in 0.5 or in 1 or in 3. Once decided, go ahead and choose the resolution and the frame rate of your video, that is 720 pixels or HD or 4K if your phone supports it. Also choose your frame rate to 240 or 120. You can then go ahead and enable or disable flash if you want, and you can also go ahead and increase the exposure or decrease the exposure accordingly. Finally, tap on the record button you see there, and with this, your slow-mo video will start recording. So this is how you can record a slow-mo video on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.